I'm going to give you a tour of the room at the Grand Hyatt in Amsterdam. Here is, there's it go, like that, to stop the door going for privacy. And it's got electronic operated shears. There's the control for it. I'll do the shears going up.
Yeah, you set your temperature whatever you want, and then you press the button and you got the rain shower.
And the shears going up. Now I can do the blackout. Go pull the blackout down. I can pause the shears. Now the blackout's coming down. And that's throughout this room. I'll show you the rest of the room. The mirror, full-length mirror here, which is really handy, if you can see that. And the bathroom, it's all, show you the light, the mirror here has got a time on it, and a switch to activate the light on this round mirror. It's in the main bathroom, and there you can see, shows you the time. I'll turn the light off, you can see it better there, so you can know what time it is. It's got a great shower. It's got a rain shower, and also that kind of shower there, which has got more pressure. But the great thing about this is it's all electronically controlled. So you just press the button. You can have them both on at once. So you can have the rain shower or the other head. And it's just a matter of pushing the button. And you can easily set the controls for the heat of the water. So that's the shower. It's nice and big. And then next door you have the toilet. The mirror, the glass is got this white coating on it for privacy. Got some hooks, very generous with their hooks. There's another one there. This room is a club room, so we've got a few extra features. The bath fridge is complimentary. So it was well stocked. That was all complimentary.
Anything else?
They have glass bottles here. No plastic bottles. Got a nice comfortable couch, great TV, and a desk. And you can see we've got a corner suite.
Yeah, no worries.
So we've got 3 windows. But at night we pull down the blackout curtains, and it's completely dark. So we've got a king bed, which is great, and not a bad view from there. So that gives you an idea of this club access room in the Grand Hyatt in Amsterdam.